The identity a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b in one bracket multiplied by a square plus ab plus b square in another bracket. Already we saw the three examples, solved examples. Then you have to start with practice set 6.3. First example, factorize the first example is y cube minus 27. So this y is the cube of the y and this y cube is the cube of the y and this 27 is the cube of the 3. This is the perfect cube of y and this one is the perfect cube of 3. If you have the doubts at that time, you have to do the factorization of 27. 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. So this is the 3 times multiplication, means this is the cube of 3. Then you have to utilize the identity a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b in one bracket, a square plus ab plus b square in another bracket. You have to put a is equal to y and b is equal to 3. In place of a you have to put y, in place of b you have to put 3. Then y cube minus 3 cube is equal to a minus b means y minus 3. A square means y square plus a into b means y into 3 plus b square means 3 square. Then you have to do the square, y square, this as it is, y cube is y cube, then cube of y is y cube and cube of 3 is 27. Y minus 3 as it is you have to write, square of y is y square, 3 multiplied by y is equal to 3y plus 9. From that we will get y cube minus 27 is equal to y minus 3 in one bracket, in another bracket y square plus 3y plus 9. These are the factors of this. Then next example, second example, y cube minus 64 y cube, then x cube minus 64 y cube. This x cube is the perfect cube of x and this 64 y cube is the perfect cube of 4y. Means this 64 is the perfect cube of 4, this is the perfect cube of y. So you have to take a is equal to, so I will say that a is equal to, you have to put x and b is equal to, you have to put 4y. In place of a you will put x, in place of b you will put 4y. Then you have to utilize the identity a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b in one bracket, a square plus ab plus b square in another bracket. Then you have to put the value of a and b, x cube minus 4y cube is equal to x minus 4y in one bracket. This is a square, this one is a multiplied by b, this one is b square. In the next step, you have to do the cube of x, x cube, cube of 4y cube, you have to do the cube of the 4 also, cube of the y also, cube of 4 is 64 and cube of y is y cube. Then x minus 4y as it is you have to write, this square of x is x square, 4 multiplied by xy is equal to 4xy, square of 4 is 16, square of y is y square, so 4y square is 16y square. And from that we will get x cube minus 64y cube is equal to x minus 4y in one bracket, in another bracket x square plus 4xy plus 16y square. Then you have to come to the next question, third question. This 27 m cube minus 216 n cube. This 27 you will write 27 is equal to 3 into 3 into 3 is equal to, you will say that 3 cube. And this 216 is equal to 6 into 6 into 6 is equal to what? 6 cube. Means you have to find out that this 27 is the perfect cube or not, 216 is perfect cube or not. Already we learned the cube of the 1 to 15 number. From that you will say that this is the perfect cube of 3 and this is the perfect cube of 6. And from that you will say that 6m bracket cube minus 3m bracket cube minus 6n bracket cube is equal to, you have to find out the factors. Then you have to utilize the identity a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b in one bracket, a square plus ab plus b square in another bracket. In place of a you have to put 3m, in place of b you have to put 6n. Then 3m bracket cube minus 6n bracket cube is equal to 3m minus 6n in one bracket. This is a square, this is a multiplied by b and this one is b square. So this cube of 3m is 27m cube, cube of 6n is 216n cube. This is equal to, this as it is you have to write, square of 3m square is 9m square. You have to do the product of the numeric term and product of the variable term. 6 3s are 18, m multiplied by n is equal to mn, and square of 6 is 36, square of n is n square, or 6n square is 36n square. So in between these two terms, here is this is the multiple of 3, this one is also multiple of 3. So I will write this 3m as 3 multiplied by m, this 6n as, I will write this 6n as 3 multiplied by 2. Here 9 is present, here 9 is present, here also 9 is present. 9 is present in all the 3 terms, so you have to write this as a multiple of 9. 9 multiplied by m square, 9 multiplied by 2 multiplied by mn. 18 you will write like this, 9 multiplied by 2. 36 you will write like this, 9 multiplied by 4. And here you have to take out the common things, because in between these two terms 3 is common, because 3 is present here also, 3 is present here also. So I will circle this 3, I will take out the 3 common, if 3 will come common, at that time remaining things you have to write in the round bracket, is equal to, if 3 will come common, at that time what is remain, m minus 2n is remain, that you have to write in another bracket. Here 9 is present here, 9 is present here, 9 is present here. You have to take out 9 common. At that time whatever remaining term you have to write in round bracket. M square plus 2mn plus 4n square is remain, that you have to write as it is. Then you have to write this 3 and 9 together. 3 multiplied by 9 you have to write together. M minus 2n as it is you have to write. This bracket also as it is you have to write. 9 3s are 27. This bracket m minus 2n as it is you have to write, and m square minus 2mn plus 4n square as it is you have to write. And from that you will say that the factors of 27m cube minus 216n cube is equal to 27 multiplied by m minus 2n in one bracket, in another bracket m square plus 2mn plus 4n square. I think you understand these things. Then you have to come to the question number 4. 125y cube minus 1. This 125 is the perfect cube of 5. 125 is the perfect cube of 5. And this one is the perfect cube of 1. So you will write this as 5y bracket cube. 125y cube is the perfect cube of 5y bracket cube. And 1 is the perfect cube of 1. Here you will put a is equal to 5y. And b is equal to, you will put 1. In place of a you have to put 5y. In place of b you have to put 1. 5y bracket cube minus 1 cube is equal to 5y minus 1 in one bracket. 5y square plus 5y multiplied by 1 plus 1 square. This is a square plus ab plus b square. So you have to do the square and cube. This 5y cube is 125y cube. 1 cube is 1. This 5y minus 1 as it is you have to write. 5y square is 25y square. 5y multiplied by 1 is equal to 5y. And 1 square is 1. From that you will say that factors of 125y cube minus 1 is equal to 5y minus 1 in one bracket, 25y square plus 5y plus 1 in another bracket. Then you have to come to the question number 5. 8p cube minus 27 upon p cube. This 8p cube is the perfect cube of 2p bracket cube, and this 27 is the perfect cube of 3. This cube of p is the perfect cube of p. So you have to say that this is 27 upon p cube is the perfect cube of 3 upon p. So you have to say that a is equal to 2p, b is equal to 3 upon p. You have to take a is equal to 2p and b is equal to 3 upon p. You have to put that value of a and b. That becomes 2p cube minus 3 upon p bracket cube is equal to a minus b means 2p minus 3 upon p. This one is a square, this one is a into b, and this one is b square. Here p is in the numerator, p is in the denominator. You have to strike the p. At that time you have to do the cube and the square. This 2p cube is 8p cube. This 3 cube is 27. P cube is cube of p is p cube. This 2p minus 3 upon p as it is you have to write. 2p square is 4p square. This 2 3s are 6 and 9. 3 upon p square is 9 upon p square. From that you have to say that factors of this 8p cube minus 27 upon p cube is equal to 2p minus 3 upon p into 2p square plus 6 plus 9 upon p square. So I think you understand all these things. You have to write all these things in the notebook properly. You have to leave one line. Downside one example, you have to write the another example. You have to complete the classwork as well as homework also. Already I told in the first day that you have to complete homework. Whatever I saw the exercise in the classwork that you have to write in the homework also. When after the lockdown our school will start, at that time I will check that homework notebook. Thank you.